Courgettes are low in calories and high in water content, making them an ideal food for weight loss or weight management. Rich in nutrients. Courgettes are a good source of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin A, potassium, and folate, which are important for maintaining good health. High in fiber. Courgettes are a good source of dietary fiber, which can help to promote healthy digestion, prevent constipation, and lower cholesterol levels. Versatile ingredient. Courgettes can be cooked in a variety of ways, including roasted, grilled, sautéed, or used in salads or soups. Courgettes contain antioxidants such as lutein and zeaxanthin, which can help to reduce inflammation and protect against heart disease. Additionally, their high potassium content can help to lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of stroke.